Hey guys, welcome back to Free Software Tips. So today I'll be showing you another Windows 10 tutorial on how you could fix Windows updates, wherein you cannot install anything on Windows Update, or all of a sudden there's some kind of weird error that shows up whenever you try updating Windows through Windows updates. So let's get started. First, go to your Start menu, type in services.msc. Right click the services app, make sure that you're running as administrator. Once it's open up, you can type in on your keyboard or hit the W key to go to services that start with W, and look for Windows Update. If you see that the status of Windows Update is not running at the moment, kindly try right clicking it and hit the start button. It will start the Windows Update, and you can go ahead and check whether Windows Update is currently working. If that still doesn't work and the error persists, you can now go ahead and continue with this tutorial. So go ahead and right click Windows Update, stop it for the moment, and open up your File Explorer. Locate your system disk. For this example, I'm using the C drive as my system disk. Go ahead and go to the Windows folder, look for software distribution, and under the download folder, open it up and select everything and delete everything that's inside of it. In case that you can't delete the files inside the download folder, you could go ahead and boot into safe mode. Once done, you can close that one and go ahead and restart your computer and see if Windows Updates now works. If still Windows Update doesn't work, you could go ahead and proceed with the last tweak that we can do. Go ahead and go to your network icon on your taskbar. Right click it and open Network and Internet Settings. Click the Change Adapter options and right click your network adapter and hit Properties. Under the Internet Protocol version 4, click that one and click the Properties. And be sure to use the following DNS server addresses: 8.8.8.8 for the preferred DNS server, and alternate DNS server is 8.8.4.4. Hit OK once done. Close that one, close everything, and open up a command prompt as administrator. Type in ipconfig /flush DNS. So you can go ahead and check whether or not Windows Update is currently working. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. This is Free Software Tips, peace out.